Add water before starting. Purified water or distilled water. Add water until the scale line turns green. Plug in a power source. Turn on the rear air switch. Next, perform a boot operation. The first step is to turn on the emergency stop switch. Step 2. Open the key. When the temperature of the chiller is above 20 degrees, you can then perform a normal operation. Next, we will perform a system screen operation. Step 1. Turn on the power button. Then, our main interface has 12 working modes. We can provide different cleaning materials. After selecting, you can also change the parameters. For example, we clean wood. You can change the preset name, set as wood. Then on the main interface, if we want to switch the language, click System Settings. Click on Language. Here are the languages we can switch. We can switch to different languages for operation. Okay, let's switch to English. Okay. If we use the parameters set before, want to open quickly, turn on the laser to emit laser. This is a preview of the laser graphic. This is the laser firing button. Here you can perform a quick operation. When we want to adjust a specific parameter, we click on Settings. Password 123456. Okay, now we have entered the host page of a parameter of a machine. The first one is graphics. We support 12 types of graphics. Can switch arbitrarily. The first parameter is the power of our laser. The second one can be adjusted, it's the frequency. The third is pulse width. The fourth and fifth are the length and width of the scanned image respectively. This is the scanning speed. We click on Advanced Settings. There is also a padding spacing here. Fill spacing only applies to field graphics. For example, our circle filling and square filling. If you choose this mode, you can choose the padding spacing. The larger the fill spacing, the faster the movement of this graphic per unit time. Scanning speed, the faster the graphics. Next, we conduct a simple complete operation test. Okay, now we change the laser frequency. Adjust to 100. Select the circle fill. Direction change to bidirectional. Increase the fill spacing. We fire the laser. Okay, now we can operate the launch. This is a 300 watts laser cleaning head. The field lens I am using now is f160. We provide two field lenses as standard f160, f254. Okay, this one uses f160. Its cleaning distance is 160 mm. At that time we cleaned some hard to clean. For example, for thick paint, choose f160. When cleaning something that is easier to clean, like rust, and when there is a greater demand for cleaning distance and width, just choose one of our f254 field lenses. Okay, f254 cleaning distance is 254 mm. Before laser cleaning begins, must wear professional protective glasses or protective masks. Avoid laser eye burns. But at the same time, be careful not to use lasers on people. Open the safety lock. Press and hold the fire button. You can see that because we selected the fill shape, larger filling spacing, so the cleaning scanning speed is relatively fast. Then the cleaning distance is now 160 mm. Okay, next we will have a red light. An adjustment of the focus indicator red light. We are currently using the f160 field lens, so its cleaning distance is 160 mm. Well, now through constant adjustment, at about 160 mm, two red dots are at the same position. This is the orthogonal state. It helps us identify the focal length. After cleaning, return to the main interface. Turn off the screen. Then turn off the key switch. Press the emergency stop switch off. Next, connect the trachea. When performing cleaning operations, connect the air compressor. Gas blown out from the air duct head. It can blow away some pollutants directly. Achieve a pollutant removal effect. Next, we will teach you how to replace the protective lens. When we protect the lens from contamination, the protective lens has obvious dirt or center spots. There is a clear black contaminant, or the little white dots. If you can't wipe it off with lens wipes, at this time it needs to be replaced. How do we replace the protective lens? There's a card slot here. Use the key or sleeve we provide. Stuck edge, then twist counterclockwise. Next, we will conduct a practical operation. The outer side is a protective lens. The other side is the focusing lens. Note replacement must be performed in a clean, dust-free environment. Do not recontaminate the lens. Do not touch the lens directly with your hands. Unscrew the fixing ring. Remove the pressure ring. Remove the protective lens. You can see obvious contamination in the center. There are some small black spots on both sides that can't be wiped off. This means that the protective lens has been contaminated. If alcohol wipes cannot be used to remove, it needs to be replaced. Replace with our new protective lens. The specification is D50x2. The thickness is 2 mm. Tear open our packaging bag. Take out the new protective lens. Be sure to pay attention. Do not touch the center of the lens directly with your hands. Pinch the sides of the lens with your fingers. Avoid secondary pollution. Installing the protective lens. Press the fixed pressure ring back. Tighten clockwise. OK. Ensure a clean environment without pollution. Press the lens clockwise. OK. Now we have completed the operation of replacing the protective lens. If you are replacing the focusing lens, turn this position counterclockwise. Remove the inner pressure ring. Just replace the new focusing lens. It should be noted that the focusing lens has a concave and convex surface. If the surface is convex, it should face the direction of the laser emission. OK, let's put it back. OK. Install the cleaning head clockwise. OK, completed an operation process of protecting the lens. After the operation is completed, range the optical fiber cables and place the cleaning heads.